Hello my friends, today we will embark on a new adventure, exploring the mysteries of agriculture through the sugar production process from sugar beets at the factory. Get ready to immerse yourself in the fascinating journey of harvesting and planting these noteworthy crops. Be prepared for an exciting experience you won't want to miss. As it's widely recognized, sugar is a vital component of a well-rounded diet, playing a significant role in promoting a healthy lifestyle. For more than 2 decades, Europe has been harnessing the natural sweetness of sugar beets to produce this essential ingredient. Selecting the right sugar beet seeds is paramount as it directly impacts the uniformity, quality, and resilience of the crop. High-quality seeds ensure substantial yields. Next comes soil preparation. If the soil is not properly prepared, crops will struggle to thrive and face various risks such as diseases, pests, and nutrient deficiencies. Farmers sow sugar beet seeds in the spring, and the seeding process in the fields is carried out accurately through the use of various techniques. By meticulously controlling soil moisture, sugar beets gradually grow. At this critical stage, sugar beets thrive in well-nourished soil with optimal moisture, drawing essential nutrients deep from the ground through their extensive root systems. Furthermore, they need stable temperatures and abundant sunlight. Insufficient sunlight can hinder sugar production in sugar beet plants. Sugar beets thrive and can be harvested in as little as 4 months. They are not only low in calories, but also rich in vitamin C, offering vital nutrients such as folate, vitamin B6, potassium, manganese, and calcium. Although they contain some fiber, sugar beets are low in protein and virtually fat-free. Leave a 1 in the comments if you enjoy the delicious taste of sugar beets. And now, let's explore how farmers harvest sugar beets. Considering the expansive fields, manually harvesting the entire area presents considerable challenges. Therefore, farmers have embraced modern harvesting machinery to simplify the process. Every year, as autumn paints the landscape, the mesmerizing dance of harvesting machines in the fields captivates the senses. These marvels of modern engineering, brimming with cutting-edge technology, skillfully gathers leaves and gently lifts sugar beets from the earth. As this ballet unfolds, waste materials find new purpose as fertilizer for the upcoming season. Yet, amidst this choreography, the machine also inadvertently picks up unwanted elements, like soil and rocks. With remarkable efficiency and precision, the sugar beet harvesting journey spans approximately 4 months, adjusting according to crop yields. This adventure involves not only the harvesting, but also the transportation and processing of sugar beets at the factory. Each step follows a carefully crafted schedule, with operations running around the clock. A conveyor belt gently ferrying sugar beet plants onto a tractor that moves in perfect harmony with the harvesting machine. Once the sugar beets planted are harvested, they're stored along the edges of the fields. On delivery days, the mighty beet loader makes its grand appearance in the field. This impressive machine grab clamps with their full width, processes the beets and loads them onto awaiting transportation vehicles. The beet loader is capable of handling approximately 250 tons of beets per hour. Afterward, the beets are typically transported by lorries to the designated processing area at the factory. Throughout the entire process, sugar beet processing plants buzz with activity, running non-stop day and night. While the storage facilities of these factories may seem spacious, they can only hold enough beets for 2 days of processing. Each sugar mill comes fully equipped with its own power and water supply, as well as specialized wastewater treatment facilities. Most operations within the plant are automated for efficiency. The beets are gently lifted and whisked away by conveyor belts to the washing facility, where they receive a thorough cleanse in rotating drums before moving on to the next stage along the belt. Next, precision blades delicately slice the beets into smaller fragments. Progressing through the conveyor belt system, they journey into the extraction tower, where sugar is released from plant cells at a water temperature of around 70 degrees Celsius, resulting in crude juice. The remaining pulp is repurposed as livestock feed. Once pressed and dried, it undergoes further processing into compressed pellet feed. Other methods are employed to extract non-sugary compounds from the juice at the plant, where lime milk and carbon dioxide gas are combined in the vast tanks. The raw juice undergoes a series of meticulous cleaning and filtration stages to yield a luminous, vibrant yellow liquid. Are you curious to witness the process of turning it into a mesmerizing white sand sugar? To begin, we heat the beet juice and gradually remove excess water by boiling. This evaporation process takes place in several stages at the evaporation station, where the generated steam is efficiently recycled to heat the subsequent stages. This cycle continues until we reach a concentrated juice with a sugar content of about 67%. Sugar production requires significant energy and water resources. To solve this problem, we deploy the most advanced technologies and methods to optimize energy use and manage natural resources responsibly. The concentrated juice undergoes a fascinating transformation through a continuous evaporation process, occurring under low pressure and at a temperature of approximately 70 degrees Celsius. Then, the enchanting process of crystallization begins as we introduce fine starch particles called seed crystals. These tiny crystals serve as catalysts for further condensation, guiding the starch granules to expand until they reach the perfect size. The sugar crystals still carry a delicate coating of residual syrup, leaving them a charming golden brown hue. To strip away this syrup, the crystals are gently placed in centrifugal machines and spun, effectively separating the syrup from the starch granules. Through this mesmerizing process, we obtain pristine, translucent sugar. In the final step, we carefully dry, cool, and package the sugar. We maintain strict quality control measures, conducting thorough checks at each stage of production to guarantee top-notch quality. Every year, our factory churns out up to 3 million tons of sugar, processing about 7 sugar beet factories for every kilogram of sugar produced. Over 80% of this sugar is tailored to meet industrial sector demands, where it's utilized in the creation of a wide array of food, beverages, and baked goods, catering to customer preferences.